This is the Merrill G-116 plunger assembly for the Merrill 1-inch high flow hydrant. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the bag here and get a couple measurements of it. But a couple things to notice: you've got this end piece here that will thread in and back out, and then down here on the end you've got that rubber assembly or gasket down here, and with that set screw. And then you've got those two white plastic or rubber pieces right here in the middle, and of course the spring there as well. We'll go ahead and get a couple measurements of it, starting with a total length. So measuring from the end to end, so it measures just shy of 3 inches. And then we can also get a measurement of the outer diameter down here at this gasket, which will measure just shy of 1 inch. We can also get an outer diameter down here at these female threads, and that'll measure just over 1/2 inch. And then we can also measure those rubber pieces right here in the middle. So yeah, it measures right at 3/4 of an inch. So once again, this is the Merrill G-116 plunger assembly.